Guys, Rachel here, and we got another pre-owned that I absolutely cannot wait to show you. It is a coach, and for the price, it's absolutely amazing. It is a Jayco, and I'm super excited to walk you around and let you see how beautiful it actually is. And in fact, they kept it up so well. The white wood, the black wood, it looks amazing. The couch the theater seating is absolutely perfect. So let's take a look. Let's go through from the outside in, and you tell me what you think. All right, let's go. Guys, this is the Jayco. It's a 2021 model 16RK, so it is a rear kitchen. It has one slide on this side. It's got a nice awning as well. It's got speakers out here. And it has your backup camera prep. It also has a ladder attached, which is really, really great. You don't have to buy a ladder for it. It is fiberglass, so not only is it light, it is also going to keep well. And it does look like it has the leveling right there. So let's take a look inside. All right. So right when you walk in, I just wanted to show you, love the refrigerator. I love how they kept it with the wood. I just love those. Now right here we've got storage or a closet. These actually, are removable. You can hang up some clothes here. You also have some storage and drawers here, which is really, really nice because the more storage, the better. You've got one right underneath the fridge as well. Here is the fridge, and again, I love that they kept the wood all throughout, the same wood all throughout. Plenty of space here to put your goods in here. And I can't wait to show you, this countertop is beautiful. So pretty. So you got a 3-burner, you've got an oven, and you have a microwave. You've got beautiful cabinets up at the top. Love the tinted glass all the way through, along with that side as well. You got a beautiful window here and there, but you do have this counter space to do what you need. Plus, you've got more drawers underneath. Then back on this side, you've got some more storage. They've definitely made room, so you got a little pantry here or whatever you might use it for. It's very, very nice. And it looks like right here, this might be the table. It is very cool. So you can pull out your table, but you can also put it away to save room. Love that idea. Right around this corner, you see, I love this unit. I mean, not only is it really nice, they've kept it really nice, but I love that I don't know what you would call, I guess, wallpaper or whatever, but I love the wood look. The white with the black wood right here. Love the colors. You've got a theater seating area right here, which of course these can come off, but the fact is you can have that to sit there and eat. Or maybe you've got a laptop, but you also have that other table that you can pull over here and put it up. You've got side tables as well. You got a beautiful window right behind you, lights above, but this theater seating looks brand new. And it's, oh my goodness, it's super comfy. Super comfy. All right, and then right over here you've got your theater, or I guess your entertainment. It does swivel, so you can have it swivel to your couch area, but also if you wanted to, watch TV in bed, you also have that option. You've got some outlets here, a little side table here, but you also have a shelf right up there, which I love. You've got this privacy curtain right here if you need it, but if it's just you and your spouse or just you even, you may not need it, but I love that you have that option. It looks like a queen size bed, super comfy. You've got drawers and storage underneath and above your TV. And then they added a little shelf here, which is really nice. Maybe you got you can put your mail there or whatever. Looks like it may be for paper towels right here. But I love that they've used this space so very well. Right here, you've got a nice big bathroom, guys. Look at the amount of space that you have in here. Storage, storage, and more storage. So you got storage under here. You've also got a nice counter space right here. You got little cubbies there and there. Some drawers here. Some more area to hang up clothes or whatever you might need, but this does come down if you were to need it, or you can hang a clothes bar, curtain, whatever, rod right up here. You can hang up some more clothes right here. I love the option that you have. You got an outlet here, and then of course more storage all the way down through there in that cabinet. Nice big shower. I love how big the shower is. They did a really good job. But what do y'all think of this unit? I absolutely love it, but you know I love a lot of units. But what do y'all think of this thing? This is going to go fast. This is only for $23.9 right now. So, I mean, we just got this in today or yesterday. I don't even know if it's on the website yet. So if you want to see it, come see me, ask for Rachel. All my information is below. Call, text, or email, but you will have to move fast because this one's going to go pretty fast. All right. Until next time.